Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and making a quick backup so you can safely roll back. Check your Mac OS version and any pending updates. Mismatched system files can break signatures. Once done, copy the app data folder or run a Time Machine snapshot to preserve settings. While you're here, open System Settings Privacy and Security and glance at Gatekeeper options so you know if the app is being blocked for security reasons. Next, you'll remove the damaged bundle but preserve user data, because replacing the app is safer than repairing in place. Drag the app to trash from /applications, then open Terminal and run Zatter CR to clear extended attributes that break launches. After that, re-sign the bundle with CodeSign Force Deep Sign to rebuild a usable signature. This fixes corrupted signatures quickly. Make sure to quit any running helper processes via Activity Monitor, then reinstall or restore the app bundle into /applications. Finally, try launching the app normally. If Mac OS still blocks it, right-click the app and choose Open to allow it once. This bypasses Gatekeeper without changing global security. If issues remain, download a clean copy from the developer, reinstall, then copy back the saved application support data. If something goes wrong, open Console and filter for CodeSign, Gatekeeper, or Sandbox errors to pinpoint failures. Fixing the logged error guides the last steps and saves time instead of guessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.